After going through all the arguments and the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, we believe that one thing has come up very clean and clearly, that Congress, NCP and Shiv Sena's demand has been not accepted by the Honorable Supreme Court. Rather, Shiv Sena, Congress and NCP have fall flat on their face. Time and again before the Supreme Court, Sibal ji, Singhvi ji and all the leading lawyers of Shiv Sena, Congress and NCP was pleading to the Honorable Supreme Court that today, the floor test of this government needs to be taken immediately. After seeing the proceeding and the order, it has been widely established that Supreme Court has not come to that conclusion, and therefore their request to have the floor test immediately or today has been rejected by the Supreme Court. That is our impression. At the same time, we were making an argument from yesterday that the appointment of the Ajit Pawar as the leader of the NCP Assembly Party is valid. Today even NCP's lawyer has tried to argue about the same before the Supreme Court from way and a different way. But looks like Supreme Court has also not given any relief, nor has accepted their new appointment as the leader by way of Jayant Patil ji, and also not rejected the appointment accepted by the Governor's office of Ajit Pawar as the leader of the NCP in Assembly has been accepted, and that is why we make a submission that today also Ajit Pawar is the leader of the NCP party in the Assembly. We feel even the whip issue by Ajit Pawar ji is valid and all NCP MLAs has to follow the same. We have seen from last so many days that particularly Shiv Sena, Congress and NCP is making all efforts to malign and defame all the constitutional entity, posts and offices of this country and the state, especially be it a governor's house or be it a president's office. By passing a derogatory or uncalled for remarks, NCP, Congress and Shiv Sena is in a way trying to defame these constitutional offices. We condemn the same. At one stage they are trying to talk about the democracy and democratic values. Also they are trying to make it a point that emergency was a black day, and at the same time acting contrary by putting their elected MLAs in the place where they are not allowed to come out, itself proves that they are talking something different and behaving differently. We are making it again clear that whenever the floor test will be done, Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar government will successfully pass that test and will serve the entire state of Maharashtra for remaining 5 years in the interest of the Maharashtra.